Production and cost analysis. The topic is ISO-Quant. The term ISO-Quant or ISO product is composed of two words, ISO, which means equal, and quant, which means quantity or output. ISO-Quants are the curves which represent the different combinations of inputs producing a particular quantity of output. Any combination on the ISO-Quant represents the same level of output. Now let us see the definition of ISO-Quant. The ISO product curve shows the different input combinations that will produce a given output as given by Samuelson. Or another definition is an ISO-Quant is a curve showing all possible combinations of inputs physically capable of producing a given level of output. Now let us see the schedule of ISO product. The schedule shows that we have taken two factors of production, labor and capital. As one factor of production increases, the other factor of production decreases, but the output remains the same. In this schedule, the labor is increasing from 1 to 5, but capital is decreasing from 15 to 5 and output is same. So, in the next slide, we see the ISO-Quant curve, which is downward sloping curve. Now, the next topic is cost concept. In this, we will see the different types of cost. First is explicit cost. These are the costs that a firm directly pays for and can be seen on the accounting sheet. Explicit cost can be variable or fixed, just a clear amount. Implicit cost. These are the opportunity costs which do not necessarily appear on its balance sheet but affects the firm. For example, if a firm used its assets like a printing press to print leaflets for a charity, it means that it loses out on revenue from producing commercial leaflets. Next is fixed cost. Fixed cost denotes the cost which do not vary with the level of output. Fixed cost is independent of output. Example, depreciation, interest rate, rent, taxes, etc. Variable cost. Variable cost is the rest of the total cost, the part that varies as you produce more or less. It depends on output. Example, increase of output with labor. Next is opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is the next best alternative foregone. If you invest $1 million in developing a cure for pancreatic cancer, the opportunity cost is that you can't use that money to invest in developing a cure for skin cancer. Sunk cost. These are the costs that have the incurred and cannot be recounted. If you left the industry, you could not reclaim sunk cost. For example, if you spent money on advertising to enter an industry, you can never claim these costs. Thank you.